Greetings, my fellow expressions of consciousness. What's up? 3 ways to get over a breakup. Let's go straight into it. So, number 1, understand that I know you may be in pain right now. You may be thinking, oh, that person didn't value me. The things I was doing for them, the sacrifices I was making, they didn't value my love and care. They're going to miss me. They don't know what they're missing out on. Irrelevant. Only thing that you need to know and understand right now, and always actually, is that you are you, and that is enough. Do not judge yourself based upon another person's perception of you. Don't seek their validation, because remember, this is a oneness reality that we live in. We are all reflections of each other. You're forgetting yourself by seeking for validation in another, an apparent other, mind you. So number 1, remember that you are yourself, and that is enough, my fellow expression of consciousness. Number 2, this is a big one. I feel like this might be the main one. Really. Understand that you are not breaking up with that person, or that person did not break up with you. You are breaking up with the version of yourself that allowed yourself to be abused, that allowed yourself to settle, that allowed yourself to be manipulated, that allowed yourself to be shrunk to a lesser version of the aspect of the whole universe that you are. You're breaking up with that person. You don't want to be that person. You want to be an expansive, loving, beautiful person that you truly are. That's what you want to be. So you're breaking up with that old person that was not that. That's who you're breaking up with, your old self. Understand that deeply, my fellow expressions of consciousness. It's not about the person. The person is a symbol. It's a symbol of what you allowed in your life, what you allowed yourself to be. You're breaking up with the old you to allow the new you to come in. You want to be an abundant person with love and peace and money and all of these things in your life that you think will help you, which is great. Nothing wrong with those things. But how can they come in if they are the frequency, let's say, of abundance, when you're operating on a frequency of lack and neediness? So you're breaking up with that needy person, that person who didn't value themselves, that person who allowed themselves to be manipulated, etc., etc. You're breaking up with the old version of yourself to allow that new version of yourself to allow that brighter, full, strong, conscious, one who sets boundaries and keeps them person. Number 3. Number 3 is about energy. So really understand that energy is neutral. Like, it's neutral insofar as it's not good or bad. So, oh, this is good, this is bad. One energy is good for one person, and that same energy is bad for another person, or thing, or animal. So energy is neutral. It's just about the one who's receiving the energy, how it benefits or negatively affects them. Okay, we're all different. Okay, it's not just about humans, it's about the whole world. Okay, so lightning, for example, clears the sky, right? So that's good for the sky. You know, there's many different things you could say. So yeah, understand that this energy you are feeling right now, you can use it in a positive way. I know it's a lot of energy. It's sadness, it's anger, it's distraught, it's feelings of loss. Whatever the energy is, I know it's intense right now, I get it. But you can use that energy, transmute it into something beautiful. Direct it. You are the director. Direct it somewhere positive. Whether it's your health, whether it's your work, whether it's something like charity, whether it's literally just sharing your experiences with other people that might help them, whether it's reading more books, it doesn't matter what it is, learning a new language. Use that intense energy for something good. Because look at it like this. Let's say you suddenly just had intense energy, but it wasn't from a breakup. You just suddenly had this energy, this surge to do something positive. Oh, let me go over here, let me go over there. Let me do this, let me conquer the world. You wouldn't be like, oh, where did this energy come from? You just be happy that you have that energy and drive, because the energy would produce the drive. So the fact is, you've come about it away through the way of hurt, yes, but you can transmute that perception of hurt into just perception of it is what it is, which is energy. So use that energy in a positive way that can definitely turbocharge that version of yourself that you know you truly are. You know you truly are. And going back to number 2, one more thing to say about you breaking up with the person yourself that allowed yourself to be used and stuff like that. I'm also saying, if you was the person who was abuser, okay, if you was the abuser, then yes, again, you're breaking up with that person, and learn from that. Don't be that person. Don't be an abuser. Okay. Other than that, yeah, have a blessed reinvention and new version of yourself that's going to be the best version of you the world and yourself has ever seen. Peace, once again, my fellow expressions of consciousness. Have a wonderful day or evening.